Hey, Backyard Builder here. Well, we're off on a new adventure today. We're learning how to weld. We finished the fire pit, and now we need to make a grate for it. So we picked up some metal, got some metalworking tools, a welder, and we're trying to figure out how to use this stuff. Now, I have to confess I've never welded before, so this is going to be a bit of a learning curve for me. And those of you who are experienced with welding are probably going to have a good time. So let's get started. So the plan is, I've got this this flat bar, and I've sort of formed it into an X here. I've got it tacked right now. I'm going to figure out how to do the main weld, but that's going to go there. And I'm going to get a ring, take some of this, more of this flat bar, and I'm going to put it in a planetary roller. I'm going to roll it into a ring. And we're going to put it so that it goes around, just around the inside of the fire pit. And once I've got that done, I'm going to take some of this mesh and I'm going to cut it and form it into the top here and just tack it on. And hopefully that'll work. I don't know. I'm not familiar with metalworking at all. So like I say, this is all going to be an adventure today. So anyways, I picked up this device called a planetary roller, and the way it works is you feed the metal through here, and it's got this third roller here, which you can move up or down to offset it. And as you roll the metal through it, because this one's offset, it puts a bend in the metal and makes it nice and round. And it's actually quite an easy contraption to use. Just away you go. And nice little curve in your flat bar there. So anyways, the inside dimension of my fire pit is about 34¼ inches. So 34 we can put a ring around the inside, or maybe we should make it just a little, maybe 33 inches, just to give ourselves a little bit of room. But basically measure to the center here. We'll just put an X here, and then divide the distance across into the radius and mark that. And then the plan will be to roll our flat bar and then come across at these points here, and it should fit nicely inside here. That's the general plan anyway. But I think we should probably maybe go about an inch less than, and that'll give me a little bit of play on the inside here, so it'll remain somewhat centered anyways. And then we'll just confirm that we're 1 inch less than the inside of the diameter here. Like I said, you guys who are familiar with welding will probably have a good chuckle at this.